Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the perfect steak sandwich from scratch. When it comes to creating the perfect steak sandwich, there are a few key components you've got to get right. First and foremost, you need the right type of steak. I'm talking about something with good balance of marbling and tenderness. I'm going to use a ribeye today. I use my own recipe spice rub to season the steak. Check out the description for the recipe if you want to try it. I called it DE1 spice rub. I'm going for a medium finish, so these have a nice crust on them now and they can rest, and they should have a beautiful pink color inside when I slice them up. The leftover juices in the grill pan are like literally liquid gold. I'm going to pour these into a new non-stick frying pan to elevate the flavors for the next ingredients. I prefer shallots over onions because they are so much sweeter. I have a decent chop game using my knife, but seriously, playing it back at 3 times the speed just makes me look good. Shallots meet liquid gold. After about 5 minutes of cooking these bad boys down, you'll come out with something like this. Right, so onto the sauce. Start by melting butter and adding equal amounts of flour. Mix that together, don't let it stick, and it should look like this, kind of like a bit of a paste. Next, I'm going to add a few tablespoons of milk and continue stirring. I'm going to repeat this process until I have the desired quantity. Now, I want to make this a pepper sauce, so I'm going to add in a generous portion of ground pepper. After some more stirring, look at this magic sauce. Moment of truth. Let's slice up the steak into strips. So remember, I was going for a medium. Let me know in the comments how I did. One of the keys to bringing the steak sandwich together is the bread. I'm using a fresh ciabatta for mine. Come on, you didn't think I forgot about the liquid gold now? I'm pouring this back onto the cast iron grilling pan and heating it up to toast the bread. One final ingredient, which is chives, so it's going to add a really nice pop of color. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. I'm going to add a decent amount of pepper sauce to each side of the toasted bread. Even that out a little bit, and then we can start adding our strips of steak to the one side. As you can tell, I am not holding back. Time for those liquid gold infused shallots, more the merrier. And a quick sprinkle of chopped chives, and wait until you see this. Thank you for watching. This is deliciously easy. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.